Animated videos go viral rapidly. Whether you are making content for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform, animated videos can be your best way to gain quick success. And the interesting part? Reelcraft AI can create amazing animated videos on any topic from a single prompt. In this video, I will share the method of creating animation videos with Reelcraft AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Reelcraft AI is not just an AI animation generator, it's a storyteller tool. To start creating the animated video, first of all, we have to create an account. I will put the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. This is the video generation page. Here in this box, we have to enter the story or video idea. For example, I want to create a channel for scientific facts and a video on the history of satellites. So I am entering my video idea, the history of satellites. If you already have a story or script, you can paste it directly here. After entering the idea or script, we have to choose the graphics type. Here you will find three options: 4K image, 4K animation, and HD hyper. Choose your desired graphics type. As I want to create animated videos, I am selecting 4K animation. Next, the music. You can use default background music for your video. If you want to use any custom music, you can upload it from here. After the music settings, choose an aspect ratio. At this moment, you can create videos in 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratios on Reelcraft. This time, I am selecting 9:16 as I want to create a real video. Next, the voiceover. Here you can select a voice actor to generate voiceover from the script. First of all, choose the video language and then listen to some of the voice actors. Once you find the best voiceover, select it and hit the submit button. After the voiceover, we have to select the content type. Select between concept explanation, stories, historical, travel blog, biography, wishes, quotes, or thoughts. This time I am selecting historical, as I am creating a historical video. Next, we have to choose a visual style from here. You will find various styles here. I will go with this cartoon style. Next, if you want to add brand material or a logo, then you can do it from here. In the end, choose your content visibility. If you select public, other users can find and download your video. So, I will go with private. Alright, once everything is set, hit the create button from here. Now we have to confirm the style again. In the next step, you have to confirm the content type. After that, the prompt type. It's very important. If you enter the idea, then you have to choose transform the given idea into a script. And if you already entered a full script, then select don't change the script. You can enhance your rough sketch too. Once everything is set, hit the continue button. Now it will take some time to create the video. So, let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Did you know the first satellite was launched over 60 years ago? Let's take a journey into space history. In 1957, the world changed forever when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first ever artificial satellite. This tiny metal sphere, about the size of a beach ball, orbited Earth and sent out simple radio signals. But those signals marked the start of the space age. After Sputnik, the race for space was on. Just a year later, the US launched Explorer 1, which made a groundbreaking discovery: the Van Allen radiation belt surrounding Earth. By the 1960s, satellites like Telstar enabled the first live television broadcasts across continents. Fast forward to today, and there are over 5,000 satellites orbiting Earth. Some provide internet through constellations like
This is such a good video. The story and visuals are perfect. The voiceover is impressive, and the auto-generated BGM is the perfect fit for our video. However, if you think the video needs further customization, you can do it. From the script, visuals, captions, and voiceover, everything is customizable. At the top of the page, you will find three options: story, storyboard, and video. In the story tab, you will find the story generated by Reelcraft. If you want to customize the story, you can do it from here. Next, in the storyboard setting, you will find all the scenes. You can preview all the scenes and make the required customization. On the left side, you will find the first frame of the selected scene. Here is the image prompt. Now, if you want to customize the scene, Click on the pencil icon from here, and then customize the prompt. After completing, hit the Save button, and here it is. This is the newly generated video clip. That's great. Now, in the same way, you can customize all the scenes and shots. If you need to add a scene, click on the Add Scene button from here. To delete any scene, click on the Delete Scene button. Similarly, you can add shots between scenes and delete any existing shots. You can edit the BGM from here, if you want to upload music from your computer too. Once the customization is completed, come to the Video tab. Here you can see the preview of the video. At the bottom, you can edit the video and caption. Before going there, we have to generate the video. So, click on the Generate Video button from here. It will take some time to process the video. And here it is. Our video is ready. Now to generate the caption, click here. This is the caption generation page. Now we have to choose one of the caption presets from here. You will find various presets. Choose the perfect one and then select the Save button. Once the caption is generated, preview it. If needed, you can customize the caption. Once you are satisfied, click on the Save button. Okay, our caption is ready. Now, if you want to modify the video duration, click here and then set the value. If you want to upload the video directly to YouTube, you can do it from here. To download the video, click on the Generate Video again. It will take some time. In that time, let's see how much you have to pay. You will get 125 credits for free the first time you log in, and then $29 per month for the basic plan and $59 per month for the pro plan. But I have good news for you. Now you can buy a lifetime subscription with the link provided in the description box. You have to pay only a $79 one-time payment to buy the lifetime subscription. This offer is for a limited time only. So, if you are serious about Reelcraft, buy the lifetime plan now. Link in the description. Okay, our video is saved on our device. Let's have a look.
Did you know the first satellite was launched over 60 years ago? Let's take a journey into space history. In 1957, the world changed forever when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first ever artificial satellite. This tiny metal sphere, about the size of a beach ball, orbited Earth and sent out simple radio signals. But those signals marked the start of the space age. After Sputnik, the race for space was on. Just a year later, the US launched Explorer 1, which made a groundbreaking discovery: the Van Allen radiation belt surrounding Earth. By the
I think it's a great animated storytelling video. Now you can create such storytelling videos within a few minutes with Reelcraft. Not only in animation, you can create videos in any style and use cases. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about creating a 3D animated film with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.